Getting started with Antihacker is incredibly simple. We believe powerful security shouldn't be complicated. That's why we created a guided setup wizard that walks you through every step. There's no technical knowledge required. Just follow the on-screen steps, and you'll have comprehensive protection up and running in minutes. Thank you for watching. In today's digital world, website security isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Don't wait for an attack to happen. You can start protecting your site right now with our powerful, free plugin. Visit antihackerplugin.com and secure your website right away.